All right, for all the other fellow professional and non-professional window tinters that are tinting windows on a daily basis, very important information that just came into my email. It says that effective immediately, do not install window film on the front glass of the Lexus model NX300H and the NX300. This is the 2018 through the 2019 model. Apparently there's some coating, a UV coating etching on the inside of the window. And it doesn't say the front windshield, it says the front glass. So I'm assuming that's the front windshield. I would take precaution to the two front doors as well until I get further clarification. But there's a UV etching / coating on the inside of the window. And if you razor blade it or use any type of abrasive material to clean the window, you're gonna damage the coating and it's gonna damage the window. So until further notice, do not tint any 2018 through 2019 Lexus, I believe it was NX300 or the NX300H. So the NX300 model vehicle, 2018 through 2019, don't tint the front windows. Peace.